Do you want to earn $25 just by sitting at home? Don't worry, this isn't some hard thing. All you have to do is navigate to a YouTube video and click on it. I'll show you how to make $1,000 or more in free PayPal money just by viewing your favorite YouTube videos. And it may seem difficult to believe right now, but when I explain everything, you will see that this process is actually really easy. Before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making money online. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns about it, be sure to leave some comments below. So, in today's video, I am going to tell you about a crazy new technique to really take advantage of a very fascinating business model where you can just locate videos on YouTube that you're interested in and enthusiastic about, and you can practically be paid to do it. So how this works is a little tricky, so please make sure to listen to everything really carefully and be sure to watch it all the way through since you can't view a 10-minute free video on YouTube. So what you are going to do is go on YouTube. It's almost as amusing as browsing YouTube anonymously. You are going to seek for viral fashion subjects. Try searching for the most popular YouTube topics. For example, if it's gaming, then think of a very popular game like Fortnite and Minecraft. So you are searching for Minecraft in the search bar. What you will observe will be a swarm of people, literally thousands of individuals watching others play Minecraft live. So what you have to do is to check someone's YouTube channel and look at all their videos and look for their most popular video. The more people that view the videos, the more money you'll be able to earn, and I'll explain why in a moment. So how this method works is that the more people you are interested in these YouTube videos, which means the more people who will click on and be interested in these videos, the more people will eventually watch these videos, the more money you may earn. So what you want to do is discover the most viral video. So you want to pick the most generally relevant Minecraft video that you believe the majority of Minecraft fans will click on. And the reason for this is because the more people that click on your link, the more money you earn. So as one example, playing Minecraft Speed Run by Dream garnered over 60 million views in only 3 months. And now you will look at 2 different websites. These are the 2 most popular websites in this broad topic. The first website is adf.ly.com. Today there are over 5.3 million registered users, which is really impressive. What this website truly does is pay you to distribute your links on the internet. So you can just take a link that many people have seen, you can copy the link and just paste the link on the adfly.com. What occurs now is that you receive the abbreviated link, and you get paid every time someone clicks on it. But I'd want to show you something extremely intriguing. So if you scroll down to where it says Payout Rates, you can see that you can actually make your desktop CPM per 1,000 visitors in a 24-hour period. A highest in the United States have 94 cents. So you can go search your nation and check which one has the greatest ranking. The second best site is known as short.st. So here you're going to do pretty much the same thing. You're going to go payout rates. For example, in the United States, they pay $14.04, which is the guaranteed highest rate, as they say. So, you want to identify your nation and then make sure you know which one has the greatest rate. Or, if you want to do what I believe is probably the wisest option, just choose the one with the greatest cost per CPM. And before we continue, I just wanted to show you that there are several URL shortening services that pay you for every link. Click adf.ly tends to be the biggest and the one that has the most users and has paid the most money, which makes me feel the most comfortable suggesting it to you guys. So, you are going to take your URL on the search bar, paste it, and then click the shrink button. So when we visit your link, they will show you an ad and then you will have to wait for 5 seconds and then you may bypass this ad and go to your target destination. So they're able to give you that money because they display an intermediate ad every time someone clicks on that link, which means you get paid per impression of that ad. So if you look at adf.ly, you may earn up to $94 per 1,000 clicks every time someone clicks on your link on a CPM basis. So I talked about how to discover a viral subject that a lot of people who are interested in Minecraft would be interested in. And I also talked about how to locate the best URL shortening provider. Another URL shortener that you may use is bit.ly or Bitly. Bitly is a powerful and popular tool for shortening URLs. The free service lets you shorten links using the Bitly domain name, while the premium service lets you use your own custom domain name. But for the purposes that we will use it, the free version works just fine. However, Bitly has features like link retargeting in the paid version. You can track individual links and get related analytics on your dashboard. It even measures your marketing campaign performance for a specific location. That's not all. You may also use this website, shrinkme.io. To earn money using URL shorteners, you may utilize ShrinkMe, which is one of the most popular and highest paying networks available. The technique of generating cash with ShrinkMe is quite simple. All you have to do is join up, shorten the URL, share it, and you'll start earning money. That sounds amazing, doesn't it? Every 10,000 views generates $220 in revenue for the platform, which operates on a cost per thousand approach. And they will pay you 20% of the referral commission, which is a fairly attractive deal considering the competition. Furthermore, with the assistance of their own analytics tool, you may track and evaluate your users' impressions and statistics. There is also available a well-regarded customer service department that will provide you a variety of solutions to your difficulties. Support is available through live chat, Facebook, and Skype, among other channels. The administrative panel is quite user-friendly, and it is available in a variety of languages, including English, French, Portuguese, and others. Needless to say, if you want to make money, this site is probably one of your best bets. Oh, and if you're enjoying the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel below. And don't forget to click the bell to get up-to-date notifications. Now, where can you place it so that more people to click on that link and pay you? That's what I'm going to speak about right now, since it's arguably the most crucial element of the whole thing. Make sure that before you do anything, you establish an account so that you can track all of your metrics and clicks, and so that nothing gets lost. So after you have created your free Adf Ly account, you will copy your URL, and you will arrive at a location known as minecraftforum.net. So if you go to the Minecraft forum, you can see that this is the site where millions of Minecrafters actually come every single month to debate Minecraft subjects. So you will go to the forum and you will be able to see that there are thousands of postings for each discussion, update, and snapshots. So what you can do is set up the separate forum posts and discuss about, like, this was my favorite Minecraft video. There are actually millions and millions of individuals that do this, and you will be able to see that these were quite recent threads with thousands, tens of thousands, or even hundreds of thousands of views. So if you can get folks to watch it a lot of times, that's a really good thing. For example, if you have a forum discussion that gets viral and has 240,000 views, even if you just convert half of them to view a free YouTube video, that's around 125,000 clicks. And if you get 125,000 clicks and get $90 per 1,000, that's a lot of money, right? That's like 90 times or 120 times or something like that. So you might possibly earn over $10,000 if you have a forum discussion that becomes popular, right? And it's not going to happen overnight. And you're not going to become wealthy doing this overnight. But it's a pretty intriguing method to generate money with almost little effort by shrinking a link and having people watch a 5-second commercial before proceeding to view an already popular subject. And the wonderful part is that you can do it with other things as well. You can do this with Fortnite, you can do it with other viral video games, you can do it in a variety of situations, where you post your link in a YouTube comments, or you post your link in Facebook groups, forums, or social media. And the more people that click, the more money you make. So there you have it, folks. Did you like today's video? Let me know in the comments below. With this, I'm gonna wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more incredible videos. I hope to meet you guys again in the next video. Until then, take actions, make that money, and take care.